What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Monday, Wednesday, March 12th, 2025. We're doing something a little different today on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel. We are running 200 feet, well, 155 feet of 1.25" poly pipe, bringing gas from the gas service here in the rear left side of the house all the way to the backyard to install natural gas to a pool heater. Now, this pool heater has been here for quite some time. The gas piping that was underground, metallic pipe, been leaking like a sieve for God knows how long. They shut off the gas, and the utility company told the homeowner, listen, you got to replace this or get a heat pump or no pool heater. So they're like, no bueno. We have the opportunity to have others dig our trench 18 inches down. Awesome. And while we're running the poly, we're going to run some PEX A expansion PEX for potable water to a hose faucet and then the pool filler. Stick around, guys. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Let's go. All right, so we have a trench that starts right there. And it goes across. It goes across all the way that way, from all the way here, across, back there. There's the pool. What is this? Oh, that's gonna be fun. Across here, all the way to right here. There's our new 1.25" riser for the poly pipe. Yeah. So, yeah, we got this. Hold on, there's no valve here? Tell me it's inside. Yeah, there's the gas cock. So it's 7:45 here in the morning. A little 40 degrees, a little chilly, but we got clear, beautiful skies, and supposed to be a high of 60 today, so not bad for March 12th. Let's run some pipe. All right, so I have the poly pipe ready to start unrolling. We took out the elbow that was here, and we have a 3/4 by 1 by 1 galvanized T here. This is going, no, it's 3.25", but,
yeah, not 3/4.
Oh, I misspoke. 1.25" by 1 by 1 galvanized T here. We're gonna break down, get across the wall of the foundation there, and come out. Mike's cutting a piece right now that's going to be 71 inches.
72 inches.
72 inches. Wow, I'm really dropping. Maybe it's cold. We're so used to 70-degree weather.
71, but 72 would make it.
And it's sooner. And as soon, wow, I'm really dropping the ball today. As soon as Peter gets here, we're going to thread without a power source from the wall. Should be pretty epic. So, we have this power supply. Imagine it doesn't turn on. Oh, come on. Seriously? It was just plugged in. There you go. All right. By AFERIY. No, it's on the side. We have this huge power supply. It's got a big giant battery. They also are sending us the solar panels to charge this. Completely off-grid living. Pretty awesome. And if you're on a job site and don't have access to power, or generator is not feasible because your local government has restricted the use of generators, you never know, it could be coming. It could be coming. So we're going to thread this piece of pipe. We have the power supply ready to go. It's at 94%. We only have like one piece of pipe to thread and put together, but nonetheless, huge shout out to these guys. Hopefully it works in this 40-degree weather. So we started at 93% and we're threading 1 1.25 thread on some galvanized pipe. Not too shabby. Okay, beautiful.
Is it like a swedger kind of?
It's a campering tool. Camper. So it kind of like deburrs
Deburr, sorry, that's what I meant.
inside of the pipe, and it kind of like makes the outside a little nice and clean and smooth. So we have that, and there's a tool for each size. There's 1.25 pipe, 1.25 campering tool. Pretty cool. We're gonna get the riser on there. We're gonna start running some pipe. Let's go. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. And make sure you check out the Mikey Pipes training YouTube channel. Check it out. Make sure you subscribe. I can already see the comments. Mikey Pipes, why isn't Peter in the trench? It's a great question. All right, we're gonna need a sawzall with a wood blade to cut through these roots that are here. But we will keep going. Let's see if I can get my rear through the hole. Okay. Lift that shit, that crap up. I'm told it's all abandoned. Whether or not that's true or not, I guess we'll find out a different day. All right. Woo. Time for a breather. So now Peter is running the tracer wire from our riser behind the grill and the entire length of the pipe all the way. All the way to there. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Oh, I see.
By the way, ladies and gentlemen, Peter is single again. He was dating a girl who liked to get beat up. Well, verbally. No? Physically? No? She liked the abuse. You told me she liked abuse.
Nope.
No?
Got it.
She like guys who like... No?
Just didn't work.
Just didn't work? Okay. So Peter is single. He still lives at home with his parents. He lives in the basement.
No, I have my own room.
No, you have your own room now? He used to live in the basement when Daniel was living in the house, but now Daniel has his own place. So Peter got his own bedroom and he still pays rent. Shh, imagine, man, I wish I could charge my kids rent. Oh my God, I can't even get them more payroll. Forget about not paying, collecting rent. We ran a tracer wire from all the way over there to here. We ran out of wire right over there behind that shed. I extended it with some green wire and I ran it a green wire and then I ran red. And I know what the keyboard trolls are gonna say, that Mikey Pipes, you're a hack, you don't know what you're doing. Put the wrenches down, stick with HVAC. When I do HVAC, they tell me put the pilot lighter away, stick with plumbing. But at the end of the day, the trench is 18 inches deep. Our poly pipe is at the depth of the trench. We have tracer wire, which is going to be used for identification purposes to locate this line in the future. And I called for an inspection at 7:30 this morning, and the inspector will be here between 12 and 4. Yeah, 12 and 4. That's quite the window. So we have to get this done. It's only 10 after 9 here. We're moving with a purpose. We're moving with a purpose. We should be good. First things first, you always want to hold back with the larger wrench. All right, so we're gonna put that wrench. Let's see. We need to go that away. That's not gonna work that way. So we need to, let's see. Let's actually flip this around. Okay. And we're gonna hold that there. I'm gonna take another wrench, put that there. And it's all about the leverage. So if you're a lefty, do the reverse. If you're a righty, same way I'm doing it right now. But I have the larger wrench holding back at my foot there, and also have the force of the ground holding that, so it's not gonna wanna go more that way, even though I have this nipple coming out of the elbow there. But I needed this fitting. I needed this fitting. Not to mention the fact that they used Teflon tape on everything here like a bunch of idiots, but nonetheless, it's gone now. Let's take this little nipple out, and the same principle applies here. I am holding back with the larger wrench. I got it against the ground, acting as a vise, and we are going to take this wrench and hopefully not be an idiot, because Mike's wrench, look at it, look how beat up Mike's wrench is, by the way.
Oh no.
Disgusting. He has no care for his own tools. Okay. And there that is. So there's our 1¼ by 3/4 galvanized 90. We're trying to see if Peter's gonna figure this out, how to get that nipple into the elbow. You okay?
Thinking, because if I put this on, it's gonna loosen it when I'm tightening that.
Yes. So how are you gonna do it?
Put it.
I'm gonna give you 10 more seconds to figure it out. Or should I play a Jeopardy song? It's not your first day at the rodeo, Peter. You should be able to easily figure this out. And I get it, you're in the office most of the time, but you have been in the field for a couple years. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. What do you got to do to get that on?
Put the 90 on it, right?
What?
Put the 90 on it.
Put the 90 on it? Okay, and then what are you going to do?
Then loosen that.
What do you got to loosen up to make that up? Here's a better question. What do you have to loosen and then later tighten?
The union?
Oh, okay. It only took about 35 seconds to figure that out. So break open the union, back everything out, and then tighten up the nipple into the T. And then we're gonna put our drip leg and our cap there and tighten all that up. At the end of the day, this is gonna get pushed forward a little bit because it's coming up cocked out of the ground, and you'll be good to go. All right, there's our connection to our pool heater. Not too shabby. 1.25 to 3/4 to the 300,000 BTU natural gas fire pool heater. Now they got some buildup and debris and vegetation, dead vegetation underneath, but that's not my problem right now. My problem is solved by running the new gas piping 157 feet from point A all the way to point B. And we did a nice job. You know, it would have been a day of digging by hand, but thank God others dug. All right, it is 10:18. We have a hair under, well, at 3 PSI. So we're under test. We relocated where the union was. It was, we relocated where this T was. It was before the ball valve, isolating the poly pipe. And then when we hooked up the pressure gauge, realized we're pumping up the whole house because it's connected to the house line. So we reversed that, and now we're testing just the line that we installed, and hopefully we stay good. Backfilling will be by others. We ran the 3/4 inch PEX all the way to there, and then one behind the cabana, and then for the pool fill. All right, it is 7 minutes to 11 here. Let's see what our pressure gauge reading. If anything, it went up a hair, and that's, can't blame it on temperature, even though it's 45 now instead of like 40, but very nice. Very, very nice. And in case you're wondering, in my jurisdiction, outdoor piping shall be galvanized. We don't spray paint the piping like in other jurisdictions, like in Massachusetts, for example. So outdoor piping is galvanized, indoor piping is black. And I don't know if I mentioned it earlier or not, but we also ran a potable water line from the house to 3 spots along the way. Let me show you. We have this line here, comes across. This is 3/4 inch expansion PEX. So this is PEX A. We have a hose faucet right here that Peter forgot to put Teflon tape on, even though I specifically told him the 2 hose faucets, get some Teflon tape on them. One there, and then we come across more. And let me get on the other side of this cabana that's being demolished, and they're redoing the whole backyard. They was waiting to get the gas piping done first. Oh, come on, Peter. I said screw it to the freaking tree. Are you serious? Peter. Oh, you idiot. Come on. Electric tape. And our pool filling equipment is right here. Now, we don't know which one's incoming, which one's outgoing, or house side, or the outlet side of it. So I came up with 3/4 inch PEX. When the pool's open and when the water's on, we're going to figure out which one's which there, and then we'll connect our PEX to there, give them a new hose faucet and a valve that will fill the pool. Let me show you again the connection at the pool heater. There that is. Very nice. Let me get the cover on it and get the job done.